Hey Apartment Therapy, I'm Tara Bellucci and welcome to my 520 square foot apartment in the south end of Boston. I would describe my style as boho, rainbow bright, tag sale fantasy. There's rainbows everywhere. The prisms hanging in the windows to my clothes, formerly my hair. It's just pink right now, but I did have rainbow streaks in my hair. Yeah, I love rainbows. And maybe it goes back to being a kid and like wanting to have the Crayola 120 crayon set so I could have more colors to play with. Maybe it's that joy, it's that freedom, it's that artistic expression. In a rainbow, all the colors go together. And that's kind of how my space is. Oh my gosh, my walls were not white when I moved in. My dining area was what can only be described as neon peach. It was terrifying. Half of the bathroom and then half of the bedroom were turquoise. And I love turquoise. My Wi-Fi network is called Turquoise. But it was just so distracting. All of my doors do double duty. Not only are they doors, but there's so many different types of organizers that you can have for your doors. Some of my doors have hooks on both sides. I have a really small kitchen, but I have had this kitchen island so that I have additional counter space and also additional storage. And then again, like using your vertical space, I have my microwave on top of my fridge. Whew, life at home is, it's most of my life really. I work from home. My living room is basically, we're only talking about one room here. It's the living room, the dining room, the office, and the kitchen is all one room. So, but in the living room, I love a lot of like flexible seating options. So there's floor pillows and ottomans and like comfy rugs and pillows like everywhere. I also love trays. I have so many trays. Trays contain all of your stuff and they make it look intentional. If you like stuff and none of it goes together, just put it on a tray and it looks like you mean it. My bedroom is actually a little more chill than my living room, office, dining room, kitchen. It's a more restricted palette, so there's like 5 colors instead of like 35 colors. And it's kind of my oasis. In my oasis of a home, my bedroom is the oasis's oasis. I love the thrill of the hunt. Everyone who thrifts will say they love the thrill of the hunt. It's just if that item speaks to you. If you love it, if it like sparks a little something inside you, this is so cheesy. If you can find a place for it in your heart, you're gonna find a place for it in your house. Which is like the world. I cannot even believe I just said that, but it's kind of true. If I could offer one tip on creating your own space, I would say trust yourself. Who I am is like rainbows and croissant pillows and shared dolls, and that's fine. And that's who I am, and like that should be what my home looks like.